What's up, everybody? Finally got my lip. Super stoked about that. I haven't filmed in a while, a little too long for you guys. I've been making you wait. IS update looks the same. I'm probably gonna be puttying the spoiler I just got. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. That's how we do it. She sits low on the driveway, but I wish she was actually that low on the flat land. I can't even fit my shoe in here, bro. Barely. All right, guys, so we got the katana on the stand. It's looking real good. She is one of my favorite pieces so far because it's just, I don't know, there's something about duck lip spoilers that, you know, it just makes me happy. But that's it. We're prepping it. We're gonna put the putty in here, fill up the little pinholes, prep it today, and paint will come probably another day. But yeah, let's see where we get with this and get this shit ready for paint. What do you say?
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, putty's dried up. Now it's time for the fun part. Sanding this baby down. We're gonna sand it down, round the edges, sharpen it up, get rid of the little holes, because when you paint it, it's obviously gonna show. We're not auto body specialists. We just do this because we're balling on a budget, and that's what we gotta do. Here we are, sanded down to 400 grit putty. We got the putty, and we're about ready to clean it off and hit it with some sealer. Is that right?
Yep.
Sealer, and then honestly, guys, I think we're gonna paint it today. Easy work, light work.
Let's get on to it.
Let's go. All right, guys, sanded it down, 400 grit. Now we got the wax and tar remover. Hit it with that, hit it with the cloth. What do you think, dude? Is she ready or what?
I think she's ready.
She's ready for some sealant?
We could put some sealer on it and then spray some paint.
Sick, dude. Let's go.
Let's fucking do it.
All right, guys, so check it out. We got the first coat of sealant, and man, this thing is looking good. Like, you're starting to see how clean it looks compared to last time. The spray is a lot better. This is just a sealant coat, so this is also just the first spray.
Yeah.
So the second one's gonna make it look a lot more even, and honestly, guys, I can tell at this point the paint's gonna look sick. So I'm stoked, dude. So check it out, we got the spoiler painted. This thing looks fucking awesome, bro. Like, it's way better than last time. And like, you can just tell by looking at it at first glance, there's no defects, there's no like orange peel that's crazy. Like, the gun is dialed down, and dude, like, you feel comfortable painting it, right?
We got this shit.
Yeah, so like, it's looking fucking good. And this is just the first coat. And we got a second coat to go. It's gonna look sick. I'm stoked.
And like, once it dries, it's gonna shine up way more than this too.
Exactly. It's gonna match my paint for sure. It's gonna match my paint for sure, bro. Like, this thing is, dude, I can't wait to see this thing go in the car. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's looking good so far, and I'll keep you posted on the second coat. I think it's gonna be good after this. You can already see it looking good. So I think install is going to be soon, like tomorrow maybe, or the next day, I don't know. But this thing's going on the car very soon here. So pretty stoked. I'll keep you guys posted for the finished product. But yeah, that's it. That's the first stage. Once to get the second coat, it's going to look even better. All right, let's go.